guys, today we're gonna learn on how to multiply negatives and positives. So let's go say you just gotta know this. It's pretty easy actually. So a negative times a negative is a positive. One way you can remember that is the negative reverses the sign. So when two negatives meet, they always equal to a positive. But when it's an odd number, it's going to be turned into a positive times a negative, which equals a negative. And then negative times a positive is a negative. And you know what it is, a positive. Positive times positive equals positive. Let's go do examples. So negative 7 times, I almost used the X symbol. Negative 7 times 8. I know our answer is going to be negative. Then what is 7 times 8? 7 times 8 is 56. Then what about negative 9 times negative 3? Well, when two negatives combined, they equal to a positive. So it's going to be positive 27. 9 times 3 is 27. And then let's go say 12 times negative 2 equals negative. I know our answer is going to be negative because it's a positive and a negative. And then 12 times, ignore the negative sign, 12 times 2 is 24 since we already have the negative. Last one is, I have a question for you. What is negative 12 times negative 2 times negative 2? And also this one, negative 12 times negative 2 times 2. Which is going to be positive? This one or this one? Well, to check it, we're going to need to evaluate it. So let's go evaluate from left to right. Negative 12 times negative 2 is negative 144. Negative 24, right? It should be 24. Equal 12 times 2 is 24, and then 24 times negative 2 equals now 24 times 2 is 24 plus 24, which equals 48, but we have a negative sign, so that equals negative 48. So this is not the correct answer. It's negative, by the way, so that's a fact about it. This is negative. Over here. Well, when you multiply three negatives, an odd number of negatives, for example, like 3 is an odd number. So that means it actually equals to a negative. So let's go multiply two negatives and one positive number. So let's go do 12 times 2. Negative 12 times negative 2, which is 24. And then 24 times 2 is 48. So this is the correct answer. Bye guys. I hope I see you in the next video.